Emma, why are you angry? What's wrong?
Sandwich doesn't fit into container.
Perhaps because the shapes don't match?
What?
Let's learn shapes. Chocolate, rectangular.
Orange, round.
Pizza, triangular.
Cookie, square.
You did it. Now, try it with yours.
Yummy.
Emma, don't forget to wash your hands first.
Exactly, I forgot. Thank you for reminding me. Wash your hands for 10 seconds.
Don't forget to wash your hands before you eating. What's going on? I wonder why your leg is flashing. Emma, stop playing with the lights.
Why? I like playing so much.
Because if you play with the lights, it might break. Then we'll be left without lights in the evening.
Oh, sorry. I won't do it again. Pretty toy.
Wow, you have a new toy?
Yes, but I'm playing alone.
Oh well.
It's not working. Mia!
You don't want to share with me. And I should have helped you.
I'll share with you. Help.
You know that I always help you. Because you are my little sister.
Oh, thank you, Mia.
Wow.
No.
Wow.
Great!
Aha!
So many shapes, eyes, mouth, and nose. Where do they go? Where do they go? I'm really hungry. Is that cotton candy? It looks so tasty. I want to take a bite. My pretty doll, what do you taste like? Your toys are for fun and cheer. They are not food, my dear. Keep your toys away from your mouth, otherwise germs will appear.
It's so
Never
cute.
eat your toys, it's not. I love to tickle, 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 tick, 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 tick. Ha ha ha. I am the tickle girl, and I love to tickle, ticky, 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 tick. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah.
Come here, I got you, and I want to tickle you. Tickling is funny, so here we go.
Whoa.
Tick, 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 tick. Ha 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 ha. Ticky, 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 tick. Ha 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 ha. I love to tickle, 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 tickle. Tick, 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 tick.
Whoa.
Ha 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 ha.
I don't want it. Okay.
I want more. Yum, yum, yum. So juicy, so crunchy, crunchy. Yum, yum, yum. So tasty and munchy, munchy. Yum, yum, yum.
Uh-huh.
It is
Wow,
really
cool.
I am so full.
My mood.
Romantic. Lovely. Aww. Sad. Funny. Crying. Sleepy. Angry. My mood.
Oh no.
I need a pee-pee. I need a pee-pee. Where is my lovely potty? I need my potty. I need my potty.
Little baby, that's not right. This is a shop for us to buy. Little baby, follow me.
Excellent.
Find the toilet, don't worry.
Good job.
Healthy yummy snacks. It's picnic time. Healthy yummy snacks fell on the ground. Help me carry them, pretty please. A super railway will carry everything. Puzzle game is fun.
Aha.
But it can be so hard.
Yeah. Hello.
Baby,
Hello.
don't you worry, we will solve it right away.
Yeah. Woohoo.
So just
When I'm with you,
Oh, no.
the magic begins. We always find a way for our dreams. With fairy dust, our journey begins. We are ready for adventure. Let's take a ride. La 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 la. Don't be afraid, I'm by your side. La 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 la.
Oh no.
What's that? What's that sound? It's scary, creepy, and so loud. What's that? What's that? What's that sound? Hurry up and help me
Orange.
out. It's a ghost. I think it's coming from over there.
Wow.
Or maybe it's coming from up.
Let's go.
For some music, grab
No.
a mic. La 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 la.
this doesn't sound nice.
Uh-oh, where is my lovely mouth? I was singing and now it's gone. Help me, help me, help
Hooray.
me, please. I lost my pretty mouth.
Wow.
Have you seen it?
Ah.
Is it your mouth?
Woohoo.
No, no, no. It doesn't look like
Goodbye.
mine at all.
Ew.
Wow.
Whoa. Wow. Yeah. Ew.
Sweet darlings, come with me. I
Whoa.
will teach you everything. When you're with me, big sea is so easy. We can do
Wow.
anything.
Daddy, you're the best. We want to be just like you.
Good job.
My favorite dessert, ice cream. Oops. I can see an ice cream truck.
Oh.
Hold on, wait for me. I want one too, please.
Aha.
I'm so sorry.
Strawberry.
Ice
Banana.
cream is closed. You have to wait till tomorrow, but I can't wait till tomorrow. Ice cream, so many flavors to choose. Yummy treat, yummy treat.
Woohoo!
I can't wait to taste them all.
Yeah.
Ice cream is
Whoa.
the best in the world.
Fantastic.
Yummy treat,
Yeah.
yummy treat. Taste
Yummy.
Give me, please.
Please.
What's happening?